Hey Casher, Derek here, Big Six Clan. Today we're going to be taking an RFID card reader and putting it into a birdhouse. Let's get started. Alright, so in a recent Gadget Talk, Chad and I were talking about RFID card readers. And we went from just the simple ones that you can pick up from Amazon that are all-inclusive to those that you would have to build with an Arduino. Well, and we also gave a challenge to our viewers to submit an RFID card gadget cache. Well, I'm going to show another example of a RFID card gadget cache, and I'm going to be putting this into a birdhouse. So it's a relatively easy build doing a birdhouse and just going to be putting the RFID card reader into it, but I'm going to need your help. So you got to stick around and help me out toward the end. So let's go ahead and get the birdhouse built and get it ready to be able to put this RFID card reader into it. All right, so now I've got the birdhouse pretty much built. And I did it a little bit different. I went ahead and put the front door on and left one of the side panels and the roof off. And the reason why I did that is because I need to get this RFID card reader lined in there just right so that it will, the hasp and everything will line up for when it opens. Now, this RFID card reader has this cable on the side of it, and that's to, in case it run out of power, the batteries died, I could plug in an adapter and charge it by USB. But because this is going into a birdhouse, it would be really difficult to drill the hole and be able to get everything in there. So that's why I'm going to put security screws on the top so I can get access to the battery panel so I can do that maintenance. Now, let's go ahead and get this RFID card reader lined up into the cache, and then I'm going to need your help with something. All right, so now the reader is all into the birdhouse and everything's all set, ready to go. Now, you can use like a key fob type style or even the white card style to open this up. Right now, I just have the key fob programmed into it. So what you do is you just take the key fob and you just run it over the cache until you hear the sound of it opening. And then you're into the cache. Now, one of the things I had to do was add some spacers in where the hasp is for it to line up correctly with the latch itself. And that was probably the trickiest part of actually putting this together. So you get your logbook and then you close it up and it's ready for the next finder. So here's where I need your help. So I've been trying to figure out where to put either the card or the key fob. I thought of maybe putting it into like a fake sign and having it somewhere on the cache and they got to pull it off and scan it, or using the key fob somehow and it's hidden somewhere. But I want to hear from you. So leave me a comment down below and let me know, how would you hide the key fob or the card for somebody to get into this cache? Now, if you leave me that comment down below, and on the Gadget Talk that's coming up, when we reveal all the different RFID card reader caches that people have sent to us, I will reveal how I actually am going to be doing the RFID card or the key fob. So be sure to check that out for that reveal. But I really do want to hear from you. Now, the RFID card reader that I have here and the other one that Chad talked about on Gadget Talk, I have a link to those down in the description. So once again, leave me a comment down below. Let me know, how would you hide the actual card or the key fob, and be sure to check out Gadget Talk coming up for the reveal of how I'm going to do this. Now, thank you for watching. Don't go anywhere. Go check out another one of these videos just right over here and find the story behind the cache.